Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Geography ki Pathshala. So today's video is a requested video, and in this video class I am going to discuss regarding the topographical maps of ICSE syllabus of class 10. So let's start with today's video. So you all know that our planet Earth is huge in shape and it has a various type of relief features like mountains, or you can say hills, and seas, ocean, rivers, etc. Now as the earth is enormous in size and it's spherical in shape, so it is quite difficult, or you can say that it is not possible to represent the whole earth on a flat surface. And this difficulty was resolved by different type of techniques like introducing some models to represent the earth, and these models are like globe and map. So first I will discuss with globe. So globe, it is three-dimensional and it is the true representation of the earth, which is indicating the shape, direction, area and other features. But there are some limitations of globe, that in globe you cannot represent the physical features and other characteristics in details, and that's why due to this limitation there emerges the thinking of the map representation. So as I told you that what are the limitations of globe and how the thinking of map representation that emerged, because in map we can represent the three-dimensional features like you can say mountains, rivers, plateaus, all these type of features, and this is represented through a special technique. This technique of art and science, that how we are representing these features, are known as cartography. Now the word cartography, it has come from two French words, one is carte and another one is graphy. So carte means map and graphy means drawing. So now we will come to the second model of representing the earth, which is map. It is defined as a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it, showing the natural or man-made features drawn to scale on a flat surface. And we can say that map helps us to obtain maximum information represented in a minimum space. Now we will see that what are the elements of map. So there are 6 type of elements. What are they? They are number 1 title, the second is scale, the third one is direction, the fourth is grid system, the fifth one is conventional signs, and the last one is key, or it is also known as legend. So we will start with the first one, which is title. So what do we mean by this? It indicates the subject of the map which we are representing. Suppose you can say as example that distribution of natural vegetation, or you can say that distribution of iron ore reserves, and represent the map regarding to that subject. Now here comes the second element of map, which is scale. So scale, it denotes the relationship between the map distance and the actual ground distance, and there are 3 main types of scale, which are statement scale, RF scale, and the third one is graphical scale. And there are some subtypes of graphical scale, which are linear scale, diagonal scale and vernier scale. So now here I will only explain the 3 main types of scale. The first one, which is statement scale, it is expressed in a form of written statement. Suppose like 1 inch to 1 mile means 1 inch in map representing 1 mile on ground. Next comes the RF scale. RF, its full form is representative fraction, and it is the ratio of the map distance to the distance on the ground, and it is written in this form like RF 1 is to 62,500. That means the RF is that 1 unit of the map distance is equivalent to 62,500 unit according to the ground distance. And the last one, which is graphical scale, it is a means of visually showing the scale on the map, and it is represented in this form. So from here you can see that I have drawn a graphical scale, and here I have written 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and the unit is kilometer. That means in map this much distance is representing the ground distance, which is 10 kilometer. So these are the main 3 types of scale. Now if we come to the third and fourth element, which are, the third is direction and the fourth one is the grid system. So what do we mean by direction? It refers to the cardinal directions, means the north, south, east and west direction. And conventionally or usually we see that a map is aligned with the north towards the top. And here you can see that I have shown you the directions. The red lines, first you concentrate that this is the north, this is south, this side is east and this is west. Then if you come to the blue lines, then this direction is indicating northeast, this is southwest, this direction is northwest and this direction is southeast. Now if we come to the green lines, then this line towards this direction, it is indicating towards north, northeast. Then this line is indicating towards east, northeast. This line is indicating towards east, southeast. This line is indicating towards south, southeast. This line is indicating towards south, southwest, and this line is indicating towards west, southwest, and this line is indicating towards west, northwest, and the last one, this line is indicating towards north, northwest. Now if we come to the grid system, then it is a network of lines and it helps in pinpointing any place location according to the map, and it is formed by latitudes and longitudes. Now if you see this diagram, here I have drawn a grid system, and these horizontal lines like this 60° north, 30° north, these are the latitudes, and these vertical lines like this 30° or 45°, this is the longitudes, and this 0°, the horizontal line which is indicating 0°, it's the equator, and the vertical line of 0°, it is known as prime meridian. And the latitudes, you can see that from 0°, like the equator, if we go towards north, then they are increasing as, suppose this is 0°, then this line is 30° north, then it's 60° north, and the pole is 90° north. But if we go towards south, then we will say that the direction as or the latitudinal value as 30° south, 60° south, and the south pole which is 90° south. Similarly, this prime meridian, it has also divided our globe into two parts. One is on the western side and the other one is in the eastern side. So you see that from 0, as I am moving towards west, the longitudinal values are representing as this longitude is suppose 15 degree west, then comes 30 degree west, then comes 45 degree west. And similarly, as I move towards east, then the directions are written as 15 degree east, 30 degree east and 45 degree east. So this is the grid system. Now we will know that what are conventional signs and key or legends. So first come to conventional signs. These are the symbols which are used in a map to represent different objects. So you can say that different objects like it can be roads or it can be railway, rivers, mountains, etc. And here you can see that I have just shown you the two examples that how they look like. Suppose in a map, if you see that there is double red line, that means there is a metal road. Or if you see this kind of symbol, then it is representing that there is a railway station. So these specific symbols are known as conventional signs. Now what is key or legend? So it explains the meaning of the symbols that are used in the map. That means the conventional signs which we are using in a map to represent an object, those conventional signs, the meaning of them, that is represented in the key or legend part. So these are the 6 elements of map. So you all can see that I have represented a map over here, and the title of this map is Distribution of Settlements and Road Networks. And here if you see the grid system, then the latitudinal extension is from 22 degree 0 minute north to 22 degree 15 minutes north, and the longitudinal extension, which is this vertical line, is 84 degree 45 minute east to 85 degree 00 minutes east. And as you know that the latitudes, they are representing the northings and the longitudes are representing the eastings. And if you see the map, then you can see that these red lines, these are indicating the road networks, and the small red boxes, they are indicating the settlements, and that I have mentioned in my legend. And the scale, which is RF 1:50,000. I hope that today's discussion is quite clear to you and it is easy to understand for all of you. And if you have any doubt or any query regarding today's discussion, then please comment below. And if you have to know about any specific concepts or any specific chapter of geography, then also comment below. I will try my best to let you understand those concepts. Till then, stay tuned, be happy and stay safe. Thank you.